SpaceX just got valued at $800 billion. That's more than Ford, GM, and Boeing combined. But it's not making that money by launching rockets. Everyone thinks SpaceX makes its money launching stuff into space for customers. That's actually the smaller half of the business now. Last year, SpaceX pulled in $13.1 billion total. Two very different businesses live inside that number. Split It Up and Starlink, the satellite internet service, brought in twice as much as launching rockets for paying customers. Starlink alone did $8.2 billion, almost doubling year over year. It's now the real engine of the company. Here's the twist. Of the 165 rockets SpaceX launched in 2025, 74% weren't for paying customers at all. They were SpaceX launching its own satellites. Falcon 9 isn't really the product anymore. It's the delivery truck. The product is the internet service riding on top of it. It's a loop. Cheap reusable rockets let SpaceX launch its own satellites for next to nothing, which grows Starlink, which throws off cash to build even more rockets. One single booster has now flown 31 times, landing itself and flying again, saving SpaceX tens of millions of dollars every single reuse. And despite all the NASA and Pentagon headlines, government contracts are now only about 1/5 of revenue, down from 84% 5 years ago. Starlink just crossed 10 million paying subscribers worldwide. That's the real business Elon Musk built underneath the rockets. Next up, how Apple turns a phone you already own into a $100 billion services machine. Subscribe and hit like, a new business teared on every day.